What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Infiniti Q50 smart key remote fob. This Q50 key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using in order to change this battery is a small flathead screwdriver. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab the key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will slide out like that, and we can just set that to the side for now. Now I'm going to grab my screwdriver and I'm going to hold the key fob with the buttons facing down, and then I'm going to take a look at the bottom of it. You can see there's these small little notches, one right here. There's another one just like it on this side. So what I'm going to do is put my screwdriver in that notch, make sure it's all the way in there, and then I'm just going to twist it like I'm opening a lock with a key. And as I do that, you can see it starts to split the two halves of the shell apart. Come over here to the other side, same thing. Once you get it started, you can just carefully take it and just kind of work your way around like that. And then once it's far enough apart, you can just pull it the rest of the way with your hands. And in the back half of the case, we see our battery right here. I'll just use my screwdriver to get under the edge of the battery and get it out of that little holder. Then I'll grab the new battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side down. Snap it down in that little holder, and then we can snap the two halves back together. Slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.